What is road engineering? Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, where we explore the fascinating world of civil and structural engineering. In this video, we'll dive into the concept of road engineering, its significance, and the challenges it addresses in shaping modern transportation. What is road engineering? Road engineering focuses on creating reliable transportation networks that accommodate various types of vehicles and pedestrians. It combines principles from multiple disciplines, including geotechnical engineering, structural design, and environmental science. The key aspects of road engineering include 1. Planning. This phase involves studying the area, predicting traffic patterns, and deciding the optimal route and alignment of roads. Engineers use tools like Geographic Information Systems, GIS, and traffic simulations to identify the best solutions. 2. Design. Road design involves calculations for width and lanes, ensuring enough space for vehicles to travel without congestion. Pavement structure. Selecting materials like asphalt or concrete for durability. Drainage. Designing systems to prevent water pooling and extend road life. Curves and slopes. Factoring in vehicle speed, safety, and terrain. 3. Construction. The construction process includes excavating the site, laying the foundation, and paving the surface. Engineers also consider local materials and environmental impact during this stage. 4. Maintenance. Roads require regular inspection and repair to prevent potholes, cracks, and structural damage. Maintenance ensures long-term usability and safety. Why is road engineering important? Roads are vital for everyday life. They support 1. Economic growth. Efficient road networks reduce transportation costs, enhance trade, and boost industries. 2. Safety. Well-designed roads lower accident risks with features like proper signage, barriers, and lighting. 3. Mobility. Roads connect remote regions to urban hubs, improving access to essential services like healthcare and education. 4. Sustainability. Modern road engineering includes eco-friendly practices such as recycling old pavement, using solar-powered lights, and designing green corridors. Environmental considerations in road engineering. Modern road engineering must prioritize the environment. Engineers incorporate sustainable practices such as eco-friendly materials, using recycled or bio-based materials in construction. Wildlife crossings, building underpasses and overpasses for animals to reduce accidents. Stormwater management, designing drainage systems to minimize water pollution. Tree planting, adding green corridors along roadsides to offset carbon emissions and reduce noise pollution. Advances in technology for road engineering. Technology is revolutionizing road engineering with smart roads, equipped with sensors to provide real-time data on traffic and weather conditions. Drones, used for surveying and inspecting large road projects efficiently. AI and machine learning, applied for traffic prediction and designing optimized routes. Autonomous vehicle compatibility, integrating features that support self-driving vehicles. Materials used in road construction. The materials selected for road construction play a crucial role in determining its durability and performance. Key materials include 1. Asphalt, widely used for its flexibility, durability, and ease of maintenance. 2. Concrete, preferred for its strength and longevity, especially in high-traffic areas. 3. Aggregates. Crushed stone, sand, and gravel provide a solid base and improve road strength. 4. Geotextiles, used to enhance drainage, soil stability, and prevent erosion. 5. Recycled materials. Modern techniques incorporate recycled plastics, rubber, and crushed concrete to reduce environmental impact. Impact of road engineering on society. Road engineering significantly influences societal development by 1. Urbanization, facilitating the growth of cities through efficient transportation networks. 2. Rural development, improving access to markets, schools, and healthcare in remote areas. 3. Disaster response, ensuring quick evacuation and relief through well-planned routes during emergencies. 4. Tourism boost, enhancing accessibility to attractions and creating opportunities for local businesses. Conclusion. Road engineering is more than just building roads. It's about creating sustainable and efficient pathways that shape how societies function and grow. As populations expand and technology advances, road engineers play a crucial role in designing the infrastructure that connects our world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on engineering marvels and innovations. See you in the next video.